Hey everyone, Brandon here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I want to be diving into the world of micro-influencers and testing whether their power has completely transformed my small business. Now, if you've ever felt like you're shouting into the void trying to grow online, stick around because this might just be the breakthrough strategy that you've been looking for. Let's start with the reality that many of us face as small business owners, online marketing, and it's tough. You've got Google ads draining your wallet, Facebook ads bringing clicks but not customers, competing with mega brands and production crews that have more money than you and minutes in your day compared to the hours that you're running trying to complete nothing. Sound familiar? Now, I've tried each and every single one of these. I've run campaigns where I've spent $200 and maybe got 5, 3, maybe 1 lead, none converted. That's when it kind of hit me a little bit. Traditional ads are like handing out flyers in a windstorm. People are ad blind. We scroll, we skip, we ignore. If your audience doesn't trust the source, you end up wasting your money. Enter the concept of micro-influencers. So these aren't celebrities with millions of followers. These are everyday creators, content influencers, experts in their specific niche with maybe somewhere between 5 to 10,000 followers. But here's the kicker with it. Their audience has a loyal, engaged system with the creator that they trust. They don't see just the content, they listen. And why does that matter? Because when micro-influencers share a product, it doesn't become noise in the wind. It's a recommendation between two parties who trust each other. That's a massive trust shortcut that most brands can't simply buy. It takes years of development between the two parties. Now, before I move on, I wanted to share a quick story that really opened my eyes to this overall concept. So there was this small sustainable fashion brand that I stumbled across. Think low budget, high value, right? They partnered with a micro-influencer that was around 1,000 followers on Instagram. That's it, just 1,000. The influencer posted a few stories and a few reels that was wearing their specific product. Now, the results were a little skewed. So we had 50% increase in their website traffic and then 20% increase in sales, but a decrease in overall engagement. But in the end, they ended up making more sales, and so the ROI made itself known. And they only paid around $300 for the entire campaign. So when we compared that with the Facebook ad budget, they might have gotten more, but they would have gotten less at the same time. So it's a weird concept. Not everybody's business works this way. I'm testing it myself, right? So here's what I'm doing. I have found 3 micro-influencers in my niche, and my plan is to send out personal DMs, not these cold pitches, real human messages with human interaction. And I offered a little system of a trade, right? Here, let me host you on my podcast. Let me do something for you. Let me provide something. I gave up something at the beginning for a passive trade in something else. None of these long contracts, none of these, hey, do this for me, I'll pay you. No. It's more of a synergy experience. So right now, we're about mid-campaign, and I'm going to do a follow-up video on the results, probably post it to the Facebook page that I have. But already, I've kind of seen this higher engagement system on my Facebook page. My website bounce rates have dropped, and things end up being reposted and shared and cross-synergized between my audience and his audience. It's kind of a little wild experiment. Now, are you thinking of trying this? So if you want to, here's how you could get started. A few quick steps. The first thing you want to do is you want to find the right influencers. So a good website that you can use is called Collabster. You have Upfluence or just, good old Instagram. And you want to engage with these influencers through maybe a like, a comment, a DM. You want to build rapport with these influencers. Offer them value. Many micro-influencers are open to this collaboration partnership in exchange for something, but you have to offer that something first, or you have to be more open and sacrificial for what you're trying to do. Otherwise, they won't engage with you. After that, you want to use something to track your results, right? You're talking about affiliate links, coupon codes, unique landing page systems. Measure what matters to you as a business. And then lastly, don't blow your whole budget on something. Test, learn, micromanage where and what your money's going to. Now, micro-influencer marketing isn't about going viral. It's about connecting with your audience. Attention in 2025 is your most valuable currency. Rapport and trust is secondary, but also very pivotal for your business. If you're a small business owner trying to stand out without burning your ad budget, this might also be a more authentic way, an affordable way to grow yourself in relation to your audience. Do you have a different, now, sorry, and into the video, but before we go, let me know in the comments, have you tried working with a micro-influencer before, and what was it like? Did you have a good or a bad experience? Let us know in the comments. I'm sure other people would like to figure out how to grow their own business using a micro-influencer system. And if you want more tips on growing your business in any of these ways, please check out this next video, but don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.